Hello students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. Let us learn lesson number 14, compound interest. Today let us solve practice set 14.2. Question: the cost price of a machine is rupees 2,50,000 if the rate of depreciation is 10% per year. Find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. In this question, the rate of depreciation is 10% per year. That is, we will take R as negative. Solution: here P principal is equal to cost price of machine, which is equal to 2,50,000. Rate of interest R is equal to rate of depreciation per year given as 10%. Number of years N is equal to 2 years. We have to calculate amount A, which is equal to depreciation in the price of the machine after 2 years. So the formula for amount is amount A equal to principal P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to N. Now let us substitute the values. So amount A is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 1 plus minus 10 upon 100 whole raised to 2. Here we can see R we have written as negative, as this sum is of depreciation. Now amount A is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 100 minus 10 upon 100 whole raised to 2. 100 minus 10 gives us 90. Therefore, amount A is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 90 upon 100 whole raised to 2, which is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 81 upon 100, which is equal to 2,02,500. Now 2,02,500 is the amount, but we have to calculate depreciation in price. Therefore, depreciation in price is equal to cost price P minus depreciated price, which is A. So depreciation in price is equal to 2,50,000 minus 2,02,500, which is equal to 47,500. Therefore, the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years will be rupees 47,500. Next question. Find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is rupees 4,036.80 at the rate of 16% per annum. In this question, amount, rate of interest and number of years is given. We are asked to calculate the compound interest. So, to calculate the compound interest, first we have to find out the principal and then we can calculate the compound interest. Solution: here amount A is equal to 4,036.80. Rate of interest is equal to 16% per annum and number of years N is equal to 2 years. The formula for amount A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. Now let's substitute the values. Therefore, 4036.80 is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus 16 upon 100 whole raised to 2. Now let us cross multiply the numbers in the bracket. Therefore, 4036.80 is equal to P multiplied by 100 plus 16 upon 100 whole raised to 2, which is equal to 4036.80 is equal to P multiplied by 116 upon 100 whole raised to 2. Now 4036.80 is equal to P multiplied by 29 upon 25 multiplied by 29 upon 25. Therefore, P is equal to 4036.80 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 25 upon 29 into 29. After performing the calculation, principal P is equal to rupees 3000. Now, after calculating principal P, we can find out the interest. Therefore, interest is equal to amount A minus principal P. Now let's substitute the values. So interest is equal to 4036.80 minus 3000, which is equal to 1036.80. Therefore, the compound interest after 2 years will be 1036.80. Next, in how many years rupees 700 will amount to rupees 847 at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum? Solution. Here principal P is equal to 700. Rate of interest R is equal to 10% per annum. Amount A is equal to rupees 847. The formula for amount A is equal to principal P multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest R upon 100 whole raised to number of years n. Now let's substitute the values. So 847 is equal to 700 multiplied by 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole raised to n, which is equal to 847 equal to 700 multiplied by 100 plus 10 upon 100 whole raised to n. 100 plus 10 will give us 110. Therefore, we will get 847 is equal to 700 multiplied by 110 upon 100 whole raised to n. Therefore, 847 is equal to 700 multiplied by 11 upon 10 whole raised to n. Now, 847 upon 700 is equal to 11 upon 10 whole raised to n. Now 847 and 700 both can be divided by 7. So we will get 121 upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10 whole raised to n. Now 121 is a square of 11. 100 is a square of 10. Therefore, 121 upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10 the whole square. Therefore, we get 11 upon 10 whole raised to 2 is equal to 11 upon 10 whole raised to n. Now, Here we will use the formula a raised to n is equal to a raised to m. Therefore, n is equal to m. By using this formula, we will get n, that is number of years, as 2. Therefore, rupees 700 will amount to rupees 847 in 2 years. Next, find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on rupees 20,000 in 2 years at 8% per annum. Solution: here principal P is equal to 20,000, rate of interest R is equal to 8% per annum, number of years N is equal to 2 years. First, let us calculate simple interest. So, simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by number of years multiplied by rate of interest upon 100, which is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8 upon 100, which is equal to 3,200. Now let us calculate compound interest. So for that we have to calculate amount first. So amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. Now let's substitute the values. So A is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to 2, which is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 100 plus 8 upon 100 whole raised to 2, which is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 27 upon 25 multiplied by 27 upon 25, which is equal to 23,328. Now let's calculate compound interest. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, which is equal to 23,328 minus 20,000, which is equal to 3,328. Now let's calculate the difference. So difference is equal to compound interest minus simple interest, which is equal to 3,328 minus 3,200, which is equal to 128. Therefore, the difference between compound interest and simple interest is rupees 128. In next online lecture, we will learn lesson number 15, area. Thank you.